are you this morning? I'm good. I'm fine. Okay, now we continue for today. Today is Thursday. Lesson 68 about the instruction. What is the instruction? Arahan. Instruction. So you are sitting in your group. This is group pre-A1. This is group low A1. That's not mid A1. Okay? So, for the lesson 68, write instruction using first. First ni maksudnya mula-mula. Then, lepas itu next, seterusnya, finally, akhir sekali. Okay, we're going to make the aeroplane with the paper. Kita nak buat kapal terbang. Okay, so I'm using the ChatGPT. Saya guna ChatGPT kan. How to okay, the instruction folds a standard A4 paper size. Okay, piece of paper. Okay, piece of paper. A half. Okay, in half. Lengthwise. Lengthwise. Twist it and then unfold to the lay flat. Then unfold. Unfold it to what? To lay. Ingat, jangan salah lagi. Lay flat. Okay, jangan salah lagi. Okay, this is a piece of A4 size. I mean size A4. I'll give you after this. Okay, number 2. And I will start first here. First. Fold a. Okay. Then ni maksudnya selepas itu. Okay. Then fold the top 2 corners. Okay. 2 corners down to the center. To the center. Twist to form a point. At the top. Okay, ini sudah. First, then next. Number berapa? Number 3. Next. Seterusnya, fold the newly created. Fold the newly created pot. Okay. Slanted edges. Into the center. Into the center. Trace once. Okay, trace once more. creating a sharper, a narrower nose. What is the nose? Apa dia nose? Hidung. Hidung kapal tupai. Okay, the sharper nose. And then number 4 is what? Apa dia ni? Finally. Akhir sekali. Finally, fold the entire plane. Fold the entire plane in a half. In half along the originals. Okay. Along the original center line. Then fold the sides. Then fold the sides down to create wings. To create wings. Apa masuk wing? What is the wings? Sayap. Okay? Wings. Ensuring they are even. Okay, ensuring they are even. Okay, now this is the step. The first step 1, I will give you a piece of paper. Saya akan bagi awak selas, okay? Fold, ada betul kan? Okay, fold, lipat, macam lipat lah. Okay, paper jadi separuh. Okay, tutup. Then fold the top. Ambil atas pula at the corner. Next, fold the newly created top slanted edges into the center. Crease once more, creating a sharpened and narrow nose. Dia tak buat macam tajam untuk hidung dia. Narrow. Okay. Finally, akhir sekali, fold the entire plane in half along the original center line. Then fold the sides down to create wings. Kita nak buat sayap dia, kan? Sayap dia, ensuring they are even. Okay. Dan orang Jepun ni dia suka buat macam origami. You know origami? Origami ni dia buat apa? Dia buat bunga, birds, what else? Dia buat cat, banyak benda boleh buat. Okay? So I give you a piece of paper. Okay? Each of you will get a piece of paper. Okay? Then I give you about 15 minutes, 15 minit. Okay, you can print your own aeroplane. Boleh buat kamu tu sekarang. Okay? Okay. Okay, do it now. Then do something like that. Boleh. Okay, Danny, can you do that? Boleh buat tak? Okay. This is the nose. You doing it right? Nose. And then mana? Ini sih. Ini boleh deh. Awak pot ni duduk depan. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Wow, good. 1, 2, 3.